In this video, I'm going to show you the quick remove duplicates from your data. The columns we have here are the salesperson phone numbers of the product sales date and the amount. Let's say that we want to remove the duplicate entries in this data. By duplicates I mean rows which are same, that is all the three columns are same in the both rows. I'm going to show you are available in all versions of Excel and use the remove duplicates feature. But first you need to make a decision, do you want to keep the original data set or not. If you want to keep it so you can compare before and after, you should create a copy of it. So I'm going to press Ctrl A, let's Ctrl C to copy this. Now let's go to the side here. I'll paste these values and also just be anywhere within this table, and then go to the data tab, and then you will have a remove duplicate feature. So when you click here, automatically it's going to select your data and ask if your list has headers, and then here you want to select all the categories because we are looking for duplicate rows. So once we do that and say OK, that is say that 6 duplicate values and 12 unique values remain. Okay, the methods are really quick and easy to use. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys next time.